Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can get a 4K quality edit on CapCut PC. Okay, here I have created a project on my CapCut PC, and first of all, I'm just going to drag this video to the CapCut timeline. Okay, and if you want to get 4K quality for this video, we can export this video as 4K quality. We can click on export button right here, and here you can select the resolution. Click on the resolution right here, and you can click on 4K resolution. Okay, and after that you just need to click on export, and your video or your edit will be exported to 4K resolution. And I'm just going to click on export right here, and have to wait until 100%, and that's how we can get 4K quality for our edit on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.